So this morning I remember Honorable Job Sikhala. I stand with Honorable Job Sikhala. He has been incarcerated or wrongfully imprisoned for 356 days for a crime he did not commit. He is a political prisoner who has been persecuted for advocating for a better society, and we continue to call for his release. Hashtag free will. So, Honorable Job Sikhala fought for justice in the More Blessing Ali case. The authorities were rattled by his fight, his determination to uncover the truth. They jailed him. Why? It's because they don't want to be held accountable. It's because they don't want to stop doing whatever they are doing. But this morning, we stand in solidarity with Job Sikhala. This morning, we want to make a prayer so that God remembers Honorable Job Sikhala. God remembers his family. We have been in this struggle for a very long time. We have seen several things. Anatondra Indira and others, they died prematurely just because someone just thought they're supposed to be dying, they're supposed to die, they're supposed to leave this earth. Where is Itali Zamara up to this day? Is not accountable. I have faced the same. Several people have faced the same. We have seen these things happening. We are living in fear. We can't even walk around alone. Why? It's because this country is becoming rogue. This country is becoming something else. This country is becoming unbearable by each and every day. This is the reason why we are saying, let us brave up as Zimbabweans. Vote for Nelson Chamisa. Vote for Triple C. Vote for change. Vote Triple C councillors. Vote Triple C MPs. Vote the President, Advocate Nelson Chamisa, such that we bring development to the people, we bring accountability to the people, we show people how things should be done and how governance is done. We are guided by the Constitution. The Constitution is clear about transparency, is clear about good governance, is clear about the human rights. It's clear about so many things. It's clear about how institutions should operate. That is our focus. That is going to be the core focus for us as Triple C. Focus on the fundamentals. Focus on fixing the economy. Focus on fixing the production sector. Focus on fixing the banking sector. Focus on empowering the young people of Zimbabwe, the women of Zimbabwe, and the entire population of Zimbabwe. Those are the issues. And we are going to make sure that we tackle all those issues because ideas are there. The people are there. What is not there is the authority. What is not there is the power. The power is with the people. And if the people transfer that power to Triple C and Advocate Nelson Chamisa, you will begin to realize how life can be simple. People are spending much time praying, vachikumbira kuti tibatsireiwo Mwari, tirangarirewo, and other people vari kutondotsvaga masuwo vachiti takaroyiwa kana tiri kuroyiwa naningi ndiye ari kundishaisa basa. No. Hazi ninga ari kushayisa basa. Vari kushayisa basa ndivo vari mupower. Why? Vari kuda kudya kwavo. Vari kuda kuguta kwavo. Iwewe uri kushanda uchishandira mahara. That is what we want to fix. We need to make sure that we fix Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe has become a spiritual country to an unexpected extent. Ekuti munhu wese ari kungofungidzira kuti kushayiwa basa kwari kuita kuroyiwa. Izvo no. Varoyi havazirivo vatiri kuenda tinonzwa kuti varoyi. Because vanhu vari kutiudza ndo mapostori for ED. Varoyi ndivo chaivo varoyi vari kukanganisa economy yenyika. If those things are fixed, vanhu vacharwira namabasa. Vanhu kana varwira namabasa, iwe chero ukaita mhepo dzakaita sei unorishaya sei. These are the issues. Banking sector is not working. How can you save your money when the banking sector is not working? Mari iri kugara iri under a pillowcase. Ishoma. Which means it can be used anytime. That is the reason why they introduced them as savings accounts, because with a savings account, you don't just use money anyhow. So we are poor because of bad governance, not because of mamepo. Let us wake up as Zimbabweans and go and vote for change this 2023.